Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If it's your first time, karibu sana. If you're a continued subscriber, karibu pia. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive. So the first thing that you need to do is you go to your Google or Gmail. You can open it up or you can just type here Google Drive. But for us, I'm going to use this icon right here, which tells me Google Apps. Then I'm going to go here and then click on Google Drive. So as you can see, this is my Google Drive right here. This is like a storage where you keep everything that your documents, you want to arrange them here. This is where you come. So I'm going to show you how to navigate through the Google Drive. So as you can see here, this is where you are going, this tab, you're going to use this tab to add in your documents. This is home. It shows you just, where you are right now. Then there's my drive here where you're going to be able to arrange everything that you have. The computers, this is if you synced it with other computers, you can be able to put it here for the desktop. Shared with me, these are documents that you shared with people, and I'll show you how to create a share button and how to go about it. Recent, of course, these are things that you've just done. And then there's a start. This is where you start your messages, and I'll show you how to do that. Your documents, spam, definitely these are things that have gone into, you don't want them to appear where in your Google Drive, so they're going to go to the spam. Trash, definitely it's those things that you don't want, you have to discard them, so they'll go into the trash. Storage, that's the space that you have on your drive. So as you can see, I have used 22 out of 15. So yeah, if you want to get more storage, that you just come here and then it will take you to a place where you're going to buy. You can buy this bundle, or this one, or you can just use the current one. So for us, we are on the current, so we're going to use that. So now let's get into and see how to work with Google Drive. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to create a new folder. So you're going to click here on the new, and then you're going to either create a new folder or file upload, folder upload. Then these ones are other forms that I'll show you how to do, but for now let's just focus on Google Drive. So if you want to add a Google folder, you can either Command then F, or you can just click on here, and then here you're going to write the name of the folder. Let's say we're going to call it Melinda. Then you create it. So once you create your folder, as you can see, it's here. This is a folder. So now you come back here, and then let's say you want to upload a file. So if you want to upload a new file, you just click here. Then you're going to come to your file, the one that you want to add. Then you're going to choose, let's see, which one do I choose? Let's say cover letter. Then we choose it. Once you choose, you see it's here. Right? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this, and then now you're going to organize it, right? Or you're going to come here, click on it, then you're going to move it. You can see this thing right here. This is where you move it. You click on it, then it's going to show you where you're going to move it. You're going to move it to this folder that you just created. You're going to click on move. Now you can see it's moved. If you want to undo, you just click here and then it will be done. But if you want to move it again, you just leave it on like that, right? So once it's uploaded, you can see right here it shows that the file has been uploaded. Then you're just going to close it up, and then it's done. Okay, now we had the file upload and the folder upload. You've seen how we do that. So folder upload, this is you want to also take maybe which one? Let's take this one, click on it. There's a video. Let's just take something that all right, so okay, let's not go there. Let's see. Okay, let's choose one of these. Then you're going to upload. Then you upload it. So as you can see, we are uploading one file. This is a folder. So once it's done, you click here. Then you're going to see this is our folder right here. It's been created, right? So now, how do I share this? So you can see this one is a share button. So if I want to share it with someone, I want people to see this. So I'm going to come here. As you can see, I'm the owner. You can write here either their name. You can choose from this email, like let's say you add that one. That's it. You can either put them as a viewer, commenter, or editor. An editor can organize, can add, and can edit the files. So this person, if you choose them to be editors and organizers, they can edit this file. So we are going to do that. Then you can write a message. Then once you're done, you click send, right? Then the other way is you come here to the share button. Then you see these people have access. They have access to edit this. So you can click on here and then you put anyone with the link, you copy this link, and once you've copied it, you click done. So you're going to place this link where this person will be able to access it. All right. So if you send them the link, they'll be able to access this information that is here. They are going to come, open it, and see. If you don't want them to edit, you just leave them at the view. This one, the view. You just let them view, right? They can be the commenter. If you want them to comment, they can do that. So now that's it, right? If you want to transfer ownership, you can just do that. Add other people, then you send the invitation. Okay, if you don't want to be the person doing that, you can send the invitation, or you can just cancel here. And then another thing is you can, I already told you, if you don't want them to see that anymore, you remove access. Then once you do that, the changes will be saved here. Then you just say you save the changes, so this person won't be able to do that anymore. This one is if you want to download. Do you want to download this file? So maybe someone has sent you the file, or you have the file, you want to download it. You're just going to click here, then you're going to download the file. Okay, so you're going to download the file, it's zip, then you're going to open it once it's ready. Now you can cancel download, or you can complete the download. This star is where I told you can star it. So if you want to star this message, you can just click on there, star it, and you are going to find it in the starred messages. Like so, for example, if we come here, you're going to see we have those two files have been starred. So now it's easier for you to get them very quickly. You just look at the starred and then you're going to get it. Now the next thing is you can do this. You can open this then, but you have to have connected apps for you to open the image if you just want to see it. There's another one here. You can download it from here, or you can download it from here, right? The next thing is you can rename this. So if you don't want it to be called that name, you can just rename it to the name that you want, and then you click OK. All right. Okay. Now the next thing is sharing. I've already showed you. You can either do it from here, or you can just click on these three drop down menu, and then it's going to take you to the share button, and then here you're going to share the link. You're going to share it with people. Definitely it's just like the one that we did. You can share it, I told you can share it as a viewer, commentator, or editor. Okay, now the next thing is organize. So if you want to organize, I've already showed you how to move. So either you can move it from this side, right, download it from here. This one is a very easy way of getting things done. So we have three ways of getting things done here. So you can use this part, or use this part right here, or just use this part right here. So it's 3 ways of getting the same thing done. Now, if you come to the drop down menu, you're going to see you're going to organize it. You can either move it, you can add a shortcut. So you can add a shortcut to it by taking it here, or start, or just put it on all locations. So if you put it on all locations, it's gonna go either to this drive, shared drives, computer, or shared with me. Starred is easy, it's just going to be starred. Suggested is like that folder that we just created right there. Okay, now since you've seen how you can organize that, you can always also, you can put a color to the folder. You can just say it's red, you can change the color of the file, or the folder. You can change the color to any color that you want. Then folder information, you can put in details. Here you put details, you add the description of what it is that it's happening, then the activity you can still put there. So there's a lot you can do with it. So you can also, it gives you activity, it gives you the information like who is there, who has access, anyone who can view it, like what is in there, editor, you see. So this is the information that you really need to see. Then manage access is just allow who wants to see it and who cannot see it. Now this one right here is just to view the details. This is a grid layout, like you can see. So if you want to change the layout to look like this, you can still do that. So it's up to you. Do you want it to be in grid? Do you want it to be in the other? You can either choose this or that one, whichever works for you. Then now the next thing is I think I've covered everything. Storage I've shown you already how you're supposed to do that. So it's much easier to navigate through everything. So here you can get add-ons, the same thing, contacts, details, there's the calendar, you can still maneuver around it. So you've already seen. So this is the link that you can just copy this link. As I've told you, this is so easy, you just do that. Now I've already told you the shared files. If you share a file, let's say we want to share this one, so we're going to come here, then we have given access to this person, right? So we are going to say anyone with the link, then you click done. So once you have the you share this link, copy the link, done, you can, and then you go paste it. It's going to show you that these people is going to have this group of people here, where it shows that these people can see what I've done. So once you share that link, it's going to give you this sign right here, which shows you that now this file or this folder, someone else who has the link can be able to access it. Okay, so thank you so much for staying here, and if you have any questions, feel free to send in the questions in the comment section. I'll be able to answer you. And without saying so much, thank you so much for staying and for listening. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.